The sun beats down on the vast Pacific, its golden rays shimmering across endless waves, hinting at the power and unpredictability of the skies above. Overhead, a formation of advanced jets, sleek F-35s and formidable B-1Bs, slices through the blue, a testament to cutting-edge technology and raw speed. But among these modern marvels flies a legend, the A-10 Thunderbolt II, affectionately known as the Warthog, a symbol of resilience and battlefield grit. This isn't a nostalgia flight or a farewell tour. The pilot's eyes are focused, their mission clear. It's September 19, 2025, and the A-10 is about to unveil a radical new mission profile, one that few could have predicted just a few years ago. Once the undisputed king of close air support, the Warthog's mighty GAU-8 Avenger cannon shredded enemy armor and shielded ground troops in countless battles. Many believed its era had ended. Too slow, too vulnerable, a relic in the age of hypersonic missiles and stealth. Yet, the A-10 has been reborn, transformed from a frontline brawler into a strategic enabler, thanks to innovative upgrades and tactical reimagining. Now it blinds enemy radar with advanced electronic warfare suites, launches precision strikes from afar with new generation guided munitions, and opens corridors for stealth fighters, clearing the way for the next wave of air dominance. The A-10's evolution marks a pivotal shift in US military strategy, proven in high-stakes exercises like Green Flag West, where adaptability is key. No longer just low and slow, it's now a force multiplier for America's most advanced aircraft. Its upgrades, from sophisticated decoys to smart bombs and network targeting, signal a strategic pivot with global implications, reshaping how air power is projected. The Warthog is flying again, not as a relic of the past, but as a critical piece of America's future defense. The world is watching, and the old warrior has found a new purpose. To understand the A-10's transformation, we look back to its origins in the Vietnam War. The U.S. Air Force needed a dedicated close air support aircraft, something tough, slow, and deadly. Enter the Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II, designed to kill tanks and protect soldiers. The pilot sits in a titanium bathtub, shielded from armor-piercing rounds. Twin engines are mounted high, safe from ground fire. The plane was built around its iconic GAU-8 Avenger cannon, a 7-barrel tank shredder. Firing 30 rounds at nearly 4,000 per minute, the cannon became the A-10's calling card. The Warthog's rugged design lets it loiter, absorb damage, and return home. Its straight wings and low-speed maneuverability make it a precision tool in chaos. This toughness is why the A-10 endures and why it's still adaptable today. The A-10 proved itself in the 1991 Gulf War, decimating Iraqi armor with relentless firepower and unmatched precision. Its iconic GAU-8 Avenger cannon shredded enemy tanks and vehicles, making the A-10 a nightmare for Iraqi forces on the ground. The Warthog quickly earned its fearsome reputation, not just for its destructive capability, but for the psychological impact it had on both friend and foe. Over 900 tanks, 2,000 vehicles, and 1,200 artillery pieces were destroyed. Numbers that stunned military analysts and showcased the A-10's devastating effectiveness in close air support. Pilots often returned with battered planes, riddled with holes and damage. But the Warthog's rugged armor and redundant systems saved countless lives, allowing crews to bring their aircraft home safely. Its ability to operate from rough, improvised airfields kept it close to the front lines, ready to respond at a moment's notice and support troops in the thick of battle. The A-10 became a guardian angel for ground troops, boosting morale and striking fear into enemies. Its presence overhead meant hope for soldiers and dread for adversaries. It continued to serve in the Balkans, Afghanistan, and Iraq, adapting to new threats like insurgents, IEDs, and the challenges of urban warfare, proving its versatility in every environment. Its long loiter time, pinpoint accuracy, and ability to carry a wide array of munitions made it invaluable in complex, ever-changing battlefields where precision and persistence were key. Despite its unmatched combat performance, the A-10 repeatedly faced retirement threats as the Air Force looked to newer, more advanced jets to fill its role. But overwhelming support from Congress, dedicated troops, and the public kept the Warthog flying, and paved the way for its modernization and continued service. The Warthog's story is one of survival, reinvention, and unwavering commitment to the mission. Now, with upgraded systems and new capabilities, the A-10 is more relevant than ever, ready to face the challenges of modern warfare. The A-10's transformation centers on a new weapon, the ADM-160 Miniature Air-Launched Decoy, or MALD. MALD is a jet-powered drone that mimics the radar signature of US aircraft, tricking enemy defenses. The A-10 can carry up to 16 miles, matching the B-52 and far outpacing fighters. 4 A-10s can unleash 64 decoys, overwhelming enemy radars and wasting their missiles. In exercises like Green Flag West, A-10s launched MALDs ahead of bombers, blinding simulated enemy defenses. The Warthog, once seen as too vulnerable, now protects America's premier bombers. By launching decoy swarms, the A-10 creates openings for stealth fighters to strike. It leverages its payload and toughness to solve the problem of penetrating defended airspace. The Warthog is now a key enabler for the entire US air fleet. Its new role is as much about deception as destruction. The old warrior has learned new tricks. Beyond decoys, the A-10 now delivers lethal force from afar. The GBU-39B Small Diameter Bomb (SDB) is a GPS-guided glide bomb, striking targets miles away. The A-10 can carry up to 24 SDBs, transforming it into a platform for area-wide precision strikes. This standoff capability keeps the Warthog out of range of many air defenses. Live fire tests proved the SDB's effectiveness, and it's now fully integrated. The A-10's rocket pods have also been upgraded with APKWs, laser-guided rockets for pinpoint strikes on moving targets. These guided rockets now reach 50% farther, letting the A-10 engage threats safely and accurately. The Warthog's arsenal is now multi-layered decoys, smart bombs, and precision rockets. It's no longer just a cannon platform, it's a flexible, modern strike asset. The A-10's tactical playbook has been rewritten. The A-10's modernization goes beyond weapons. It's digital at heart. The old analog cockpit is gone, replaced by high-resolution color displays. Pilots now see flight data, targeting video, and digital maps all at once, boosting situational awareness. The addition of Link 16 data link lets the A-10 share real-time data with other aircraft and ground forces. An F-35 can spot a threat and instantly cue an A-10 to strike, creating a networked force. Jam-resistant GPS and new radios ensure secure navigation and communication in contested environments. These upgrades bridge the gap between the A-10 and fifth-generation jets. The Warthog is now a fully integrated node in the digital battlefield. Its pilot has more information and better tools than ever before. The old airframe is now a smarter, deadlier opponent. The A-10's upgrades signal a significant shift in US Air Force strategy, reflecting a new era of military thinking. Rather than simply retiring older platforms, the Air Force is now focused on integrating them with cutting-edge technology, creating a force that's both modern and resilient. This approach is at the heart of distributed lethality, making every asset count. In a high-stakes conflict with a peer adversary like China, the A-10's ability to deploy MALD swarms can overwhelm and saturate enemy air defenses. This creates crucial windows of opportunity for stealth fighters and bombers to strike with reduced risk. By spreading risk across a larger number of aircraft, this doctrine complicates enemy targeting and makes it much harder for opponents to deliver a decisive blow. The A-10's legendary ability to operate from rugged, dispersed airfields makes it especially well-suited for the vast, island-dotted expanse of the Pacific Theater. Dispersal of forces ensures that no single loss can cripple the mission, increasing survivability and operational flexibility. Upgrading the A-10 is also a smart, cost-effective move, far more efficient than buying an entirely new fleet of jets, and it keeps proven airframes in the fight. The Warthog now serves as a durable, distributed piece of a much larger strategic puzzle, fitting seamlessly into the Air Force's evolving vision. It's a true force multiplier, enhancing the effectiveness and survivability of every other aircraft in the formation, and amplifying the overall power of the force. This new doctrine is pragmatic and forward-thinking, blending the best of old and new technology to achieve maximum impact on the battlefield. The A-10 is no longer just a tank buster, it's become a vital enabler, supporting a wide range of missions and adapting to new threats. In today's complex strategic environment, the value of the A-10 has never been clearer, proving its worth as a key player in the Air Force's future. The A-10's revival is a direct response to rising great power competition. Its new capabilities send a message to adversaries like China and Russia. The US is innovating to counter advanced defenses. In the Indo-Pacific, the A-10's range and ruggedness make it perfect for island-hopping campaigns. Deploying upgraded Warthogs to allies strengthens regional security and deters aggression. In Europe, the A-10's MALD swarms could help NATO suppress Russian air defenses. The use of MALDs by Ukraine highlights the technology's relevance in modern conflict. Upgrading the A-10 is also fiscally responsible, maximizing the value of existing assets. This approach could influence other nations to modernize legacy platforms. The A-10's story is a case study in extending military hardware's life and relevance. It's a lesson in strategic adaptation on the global stage. On September 19, 2025, the A-10 stands as a symbol of American ingenuity. Once marked for retirement, it's now a 21st century strategic asset. Standoff weapons, precision rockets, and MALD decoys have secured its future. These upgrades represent a doctrinal shift, making the A-10 a crucial enabler for modern air campaigns. Its digital cockpit and networked systems ensure it's a full participant in the battle space. The Warthog's transformation has profound geopolitical impact, strengthening deterrence in key regions. It proves that innovation isn't just about new tech, it's about reimagining proven platforms. With plans to fly into the 2040s, the A-10 remains a guardian in the skies. Its story is a lesson. Sometimes the future lies in the strengths of the past. The Warthog's legacy of resilience and adaptation continues.